Guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Tuesday, March 31. It's currently 2:47 p.m. This is my second day of recovery from viral infection. So today, lalabas lang kami kasi sila at school break na and medyo naawa kami sa kanya because he's never been out of the house since Friday if I'm not mistaken. And also, kailangan ko bumili ng lemon kasi yung main symptom ko is yung sore throat. So bibili kami ng lemon, David, para makagawa kami ng lemon water with honey kasi yun yung usually iniinom namin to relieve the itchiness. Sabi ni David, pupunta daw kami sa plant shop kasi we've been thinking about putting plant dun sa my kitchen area namin. Just some indoor plants para lang medyo okay siya tingnan. I just would like to share, last year, sobrang dami kong episodes of like viral infection. I think last year yung immune system ko was not at its best shape. Yung recovery ko is better this time around, and I think a big part of that is yung supplements na tinitake ko. This year or late last year, we've been quite religious with taking our vitamin D, especially during the winter season kasi hindi talaga kami naaarawan dito. The vitamins I've been taking is vitamin C, vitamin D, and magnesium kasi magnesium also helps with sleep and recovery. Yun ang I think makes a big difference. So I just would like to share that. Anyways, let's go. Light, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready, Mama. Hi, vlog. Have to go to the park quickly and go ride a bus and go to a plant shop.
And dito muna kami sa playground, guys. Maglalaro muna si Light saglit. Go, jump. Jump, Light, jump. Higher. Higher. Up, up. Hi, Light. Come here, what do you want to order, man? Muffin? This one? Chocolate muffin or? Hi, Light. We're waiting for the bus, guys. Oh, they have so many plants. Wow. $3.99. Dragonfly Angel Kiss. $11.99. Ang gaganda ng lavender. $19.99. Pero merong maliit. Ayan. $9.99. So nice. Wow, look at that. It's strawberry. Don't touch it. So, strawberry na ganyan kalaki, $3.99 each. Eto, yung parang nasa maliliit pa sila na pot. This one, oh, cute. It's also nice to have like herbs. Meron nga silang ano dito, guys. Meron silang leeks, spring onion. Meron din silang beans. Oh, look like, oh, diba? You eat a lot of beans. This one, sili nga. Ano, look at that, like, it's tomatoes. $2.99 yung mga pot vegetables like that. Ang kukit ng mga flowers. Ayan. Bibili tayo ng flowers. Ang pangalan nito? Orphigalum debut. Okay, go. Get some plants. Ang ganda ng mga flower. I also want to buy one lavender. Yung maliit. Okay, hold the basket. Okay. We're gonna get one chili.
Potato.
Not potato, tomato. Apple bloom. Ito pala yung mukha ng apple. Okay guys, I've decided na ito na lang, ganito na lang ang bibilhin ko na flower. Hindi pa sila bloomed. For one small tub like this, $8.99 siya. Okay guys, ito na yung mga nabili namin. Now, nandito na kami sa indoor plants, which is very enticing kasi ang dami. Ito yung mga indoor plants nila. Meron silang super wide variety of indoor plants. Meron akong dating ganito. Ang rubber plant. Meron ako niyan dati. And then the big ones. 69 pounds. This one's quite nice. Follow Dada. Petchay. Meron silang mga seedlings, guys, kung gusto mong mag-grow. Daddy's gonna plant.
No.
Sige, stock try na lang. They also have seeds for the different flowers. Maybe I can just plant a lavender. Liit niya. What's that? Merong ladybug and bees and butterflies. Meron din silang maliit. This one. Light. Ang liliit naman nito. Pero $6.99 ang mahal. Ito cute. Here na. Ang cute nito. Tingnan. Look at this. See? That's what you give the dog. Look at this is a banana. Ang cute ng mga ano nila. Look at the pot. Look at that light. It's so cute. So pretty. Gusto ko ng ganyan na pot, guys. So nice. This one, the small one, is $5.99. Look at this one, nice.
It's a zebra.
Yes, bit na bit ko yan as someone who likes pink. Super nice. Ones. Meron din silang very girly na pots. Hi guys! Andito na kami sa bahay and pakita ko lang, ito yung nabili namin na plants kanina. Hindi ko na lang binili yung lavender kasi medyo namahalan ako and then I thought maybe I can just plant it from the seed. Ang pangalan niya ay geranium, dark leaf pink. So pag nag-bloom na siya, ganyan yung itsura niya. 6 siya na little pots and I bought it for $8.99. So, ito is ilalagay ko siya dyan sa kusina. Papakita ko mamaya. Meron din ako pang isang nabili na flower. Ito is osteospermium. Ito naman, $4.99. Ayan, ang cute ng flower niya. Very in time for spring. So, meron pang mga magbo-bloom pa lang. Ayan. Yung isang binili ni David na vegetable is ayan, tomato. Going to hopefully grow this one. And he also bought this soil houseplant focus repotting mix. This is the seed that he bought. Ito, mabilis lang daw tong tumubo. Ayan, pak choy. Pumunta kami sa Sainsbury kasi, yun nga, kailangan namin ng lemon. So, ayan. Yes, check. Nabili na namin. And then, bumili sila ng cookies. Ito yung favorite kong chips dito. Proper chips na barbecue lentil. Bumili din ako ng blueberries kasi nakabili na ako ng yogurt. So, nilagay ko na sa fridge. And bumili din ako ng Coke Zero kasi ang ulam natin mamaya is adobo. Pero, instead of pork, chicken naman. And then, eto, bumili si David ng pistachio. Ito ang favorite ni guys. Pero, every now and then lang kami bibili kasi mahal. Yung isang ganito is like £2.40, something like that. So, mahal siya. So, yun lang guys, ang nabili ko. I'm just gonna prepare for our dinner tonight, which is chicken adobo. So, mamarinade ko lang for at least 30 minutes yung chicken. And guys, dito natin siya ilalagay. Mamaya, ilalagay ko siya sa pot kasi meron akong mga extra pots from before. Lagay natin dyan para at least naman merong plants dito sa aming. And then, I'm also gonna put this in a pot later. Ayan. At least merong greens na ang ating kitchen. Open muna natin itong ating chicken. Hugasan lang muna natin to. Gagawin ko is Lalagyan ko lang siya ng konting mga slit para mag-absorb better yung ating marinade. Like that. Usually, ang nilalagay ko dito guys is soy sauce and garlic. Yun lang. Gamit naming soy sauce is always Dato Puti. Bumibili kami palagi sa Filipino store. Kasi iba kasi talaga yung nakasanayan natin na lasa ng Dato Puti. Yung mga soy sauce nila dito, meron silang dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, pero ewan ko ano ba to? Dark soy sauce ba to? But anyways, iba yung lasa niya para sa akin. Tinatansya ko lang guys ha, hindi na ako nagme-measure. Just enough na makot yung mga manok. Na-chop some garlic. Nalagyan ko siya ng madaming garlic. So, imimix ko lang to and I'll leave it for about half an hour. While waiting for this to marinate, going to wash the dishes kasi dami nating hugasin guys. Ito yung paglulutuan natin ng ating chicken adobo. Ito na pala yung pinakamalaki naming kaldero guys. Hindi pa naman like very needed pero pwedeng mag-invest ng mga magandang household kitchenware. Kinuha ko yung old pots ko. Ito naman ang gagamitin natin for our new plant. I think it looks alright. Diba? Okay naman. Ayusin natin siya na nakaharap yung flower dito. Tapos yung tomato ni David, lagay ko siya here. Pero parang cute kasi na may name siya. So, I feel like I want to keep it there para alam namin na tomato. Ayan siya. Oh, diba? Looks so pretty. Ito, wala pa akong lalagyan nito. Mainit na yung mantika. So, ibabad na natin yung chicken. Lagay natin yung mga, garlic. Nilalagyan ko to ng, Hala na ba kaming peppercorns? Wala na tayo peppercorn? Brown black pepper na lang. Para may lasa ang ating manok. And then we'll add the vinegar. 10 minutes. In the meantime, magmo-multitask muna ako kasi sobrang dami na naming clothes na kailangang i-fold. Guys, taran! Yan ang aking mga kailangang tupiin. So, while waiting for the adobo to cook, halika, tupiin natin to. Manood na lang tayo ng vlog. I really like watching vlogs. So, kapag may ginagawa ako na medyo boring, nanonood na lang ako ng vlog para pampalipas oras. Actually, this is not everything, guys. Meron pa dun sa kwarto ni Light. So, kunin ko lang. Wait. Guys, update. Malapit na akong matapos sa mga tinutupi ko. Konti na lang natira. Nalagyan ko na kanina ng sugar and vinegar yung aking adobo. So, sinisimmer ko na lang siya for another 15 minutes. And then, okay na yun. Check na natin ang ating adobo, guys. Tara! I think napadami ata ang sabaw. Pero anyways, tikman na lang natin yung ating adobo muna if masarap ba siya. Okay na to. Let's eat na, like. Yeah! Let's prepare some rice. one light. It's Yoshi. Are you excited to watch Mario? We're gonna get our popcorn first, and then we're gonna go to Theater 3. Okay? What? Happy, look at that! Light! You know to hold the popcorn? There you go. Come on. Come on. Jill. Tapos na kaming manood guys ng Super Mario. It's really nice. And ngayon, pupunta lang kami sa Waterstones. Isa ko yung book na gusto kong bilhin na hindi ko nabili the other day. And after that, pupunta kami ng Lidl. Look at this one, Light. Ang cute ng mga display. Look at that plane. Yeah! Look at the chick. Cute ng mga Easter display. Light, which book do you want? Not that one, this one. Other one, on your left. That one. Okay, get one. Put it here. Okay, you go find the pancakes. Ay, mama, get one lasagna din. Hi guys! Papunta kami ngayon sa Filipino store kasi gagawa ako ng binignit tomorrow. Binignit is the Bisaya version of bilo-bilo basically. Never pa ako nakagawa ng binignit before, so this will be the first time. Medyo maganda ang weather today. So nag-search ako kanina ng recipe sa TikTok. Ang nandun is kamote, saging, tapioca, purple yam or ube, coconut milk, and sugar. Meron silang madaming vegetables. I'm happy! Nakakita tayo ng purple yam. Yay! And now, we're gonna go to the Filipino store. Andyan lang siya. Ang pangalan ng Filipino store na to is CB Oriental. Kasi hindi lang siya Filipino products. Meron din siyang mga Korean, Thai. Mga nabili namin sa Filipino store. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo. First is, bumili si David ng 4 na Pancit Canton original flavor. I bought this one for our binignit tomorrow. Jackfruit in syrup. Coconut milk. The same for our binignit. 3 ganito yung binili ko. Brown sugar. And I bought another Eden cheese kasi I'm thinking of doing the other set ng puto. Kasi 'di ba, if you remember sa last vlog natin, nagluto tayo ng puto. Meron pa siyang other half. Masarap din tong ipalaman sa mga savory na bread. Noodles. Our tapioca. Actually, madami silang different colors doon. Pero I thought, since hindi ako sure, I went with white na lang, yung plain. Tried and tested ko na tong brand na to ng saging na saba. So, I bought the same for our binignit. Bumili si David ng bayabas. Ayan. Ang laki. 1 pound daw ang isa. Tapos, ito yung purple yam. At first, parang I thought hindi siya purple yam kasi katabi niya yung kamote na kulay purple din. Bumili lang ako ng 3. Glutinous rice, mega sardines. Ayan, guys. Kasi meron pa kaming miswa dito na noodle. So, yun ang feeling ko ulam namin mamaya. Ito, pagkain ni Light, Poke. And then, ito yung favorite biscuit ni Light sa Filipino store, ang Ribisco na chocolate flavor. Ito naman, kay David to, bumili siya ng dingdong. So, yun lang guys, ang mga nabili namin. Excited na akong magluto ng binignit tomorrow. Hi guys, it's currently Friday. Actually, boiling the sago na. Gagawa tayo ng binignit. There's a lot of different variations of binignit. So, just follow what you like. Yung recipe na nakita ko is from TikTok. Ito yung recipe na susundan ko. May untaog magkadimaon. I think it should be alright. Kay igo raman gid siya ipaboil and then, you just have to prepare the vegetables, yung sugar, yung coconut milk. Always gid ni sa mga taga Cebu, whenever it's Holy Week, magbinignit gid ang mga tao. So let's make our very first binignit together. Ooh, look at the color. I did not expect na ganito siya tigas. Slice ko na lahat ng ube. Ayan na siya. Kamote. Golden saba. Natural healthy fruit. Saging na saba. Ang last nating i-chop guys ay yung ating langka. Ayan. In Bisaya, we call this nangka. Tada! O, diba? Parang legit yung ating binignit. Madaming sago. And pinapa-cool down ko lang pala yung tapioca. Ayan na siya. Clear tapioca pearls yung binili ko. I have 3 cans of coconut milk. Nire-review ko lang 3 cans and then 2.5 cups of water. Now I'm going to put 1/2 cup of glutinous rice. So mga 10 to 15 minutes daw based dun sa recipe. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes. So, i-drop na natin ang ating ube. Ayan. Here, sana talaga hindi umapaw ang aking kaldero. And then, the kamote. Again, we have to wait about 15 minutes na mag-soften yung ating mga vegetables na nilagay. Add na natin ang ating banana. And langka. And then, I need to add sugar din. Mura na dyan siya binignit, guys. It's looking like binignit na 10 minutes. Then, I'm gonna put the tapioca pearl later. Yan na yung sago natin. Kita nyo ba? Okay. Ayan, meron pa siyang sobra. And then, this reminds me a lot of taho. Alam mo yun, yung nilalagay nila na ganito with the syrup. So, parang nagka-idea tuloy ako, gawa kaya tayo ng taho, guys. Ito nang itsura ng ating binignit. Nag-change yung color niya from more purple to like dark brown dahil dun sa nilagay natin na brown sugar. Check muna natin yung kamote. Okay, tingnan natin kung soft na ba yung vegetable. Okay. Okay. Ooh, look at that.
What do you see the minute?
The mini
The see the minute?
binignit.
Wow.
You see?
Wow.
This one has sweet potato, ube, banana, langka, tapioca pearls. 2 servings of benignit.